Hey everyone, here's a picture of the new car, the color, and transferring the plates from the white car. And look, that kind of matches the top of the Rocky Mountain National Park plate. So I'm going to put this on and I'm going to make a custom plate for the front. I'll show that to you in another post. I just got to wash this. That's pretty dirty, huh? All right, so keeping the Z plates on the new car. All right, so I made a Euro plate for the front of my car, and just a couple of notes. I see the mountains are have a little bit of green in them on my plate, and my grass is a little bit too light. I got to darken that up. And then fun fact, if you didn't know this, the A in the Colorado plate is a little bit larger than all the other letters. And mine is the same way. It's a little bit larger. All right, I'm gonna put these on and see if I get any tickets. All right, there we go. Plates installed. That's pretty decent. All right, I'm legal again.